What's going on, everybody? Caleb from Woodshop here. Now, this isn't a project video, I'm gonna warn you. I'm gonna do a lot of talking in this video, so that might not be your thing, but if you're a regular viewer of my channel, you might want to stick around because you might be interested in this. I'm just fooling around in the shop today. I made some more of those paper clip boxes. Man, if you make any of the projects that I make on this channel, make some of those paper clip boxes. Go and watch just ignore this. Go and watch that video and make some of these, because once you make one, you'll find so many uses for them. But anyways, the point of this video, my channel has been, it's not booming, I'm not getting, hundreds of views for every video, but I'm getting a lot more But I have noticed I'm getting quite a bit more subscribers lately, which is awesome. Thank you to everyone who's subscribed to this channel. And because of that, I've had this idea for a while that I was kind of thinking about doing like a vlog, or not really like a vlog, kind of like a vlog, just kind of update stuff. And y'all tell me what you would like to see. I'll throw some ideas here and we could have some feedback. I was thinking, maybe I could do one of these and we could go over last week's project. Like as of today, the most recent project on my channel was the blanket ladder. So I could read some comments that I got on the blanket ladder. We could go and look at the blanket ladder and talk about it, and I could give you some shop updates, stuff on what's going on around here. If I get any comments in particular about anything weird, we could go over that. Just different topics, just talking, us. Some us time. And it depends, it really boils down to what y'all would want to see. I know vlog things could get boring, and I don't expect this video to do very well or get a lot of views, because I feel like unless you're really invested in a channel and the people in it, then them talking about stuff is not that entertaining. I can speak from experience. There are a few woodworking channels that have secondary channels that they just do like vlogs on. For the ones that I'm really interested in, my favorites, I do keep up with their vlogs, but other people I'm like, eh. So I kind of know how it is as a viewer when you hear somebody pitch, check out my second channel. So would y'all want it to be on a second channel? Would it bother anybody if this channel got kind of got vlogs thrown in? And I think that's why people do a second channel for vlogs, because I don't really want this channel to get cluttered, I'm trying to decide, should I do a second? This video will be on my main channel, and it's more for a discussion. Should I do it on a second channel? Would anybody be interested in maybe subbing that channel? It's really up to y'all. I'm leaving it in your hands. I kind of want to. Just like a little guilty, the other YouTubers do it, they're a little guilty, kind of wanting to jump on the bandwagon type thing. But at the same time, I don't know if my channel's big enough for that yet. Y'all let me know what you think. That's about it. So I'll catch you next time.